hello world. We are at IFSEC 2022 event at Pragati Maidan hall number 5, and with me Mr. Ashish is here. He is a director of PRAMA HIKVISION. So Ashish sir, can you brief us what product are you displaying in this security event?
Yeah, we are, continuously all IPSEC, we are launching some or other product line. And, normally all the products is being displayed is in surveillance industry with latest technologies and AI, etc. But this time, normally product are being updated with technology, but a breakthrough in technology happens, once in a decade or, once in moon. So we have a breakthrough product launch this time, and that product is DVR with SSD drive, inbuilt SSD, which we have just now launched. It is with powered by inbuilt SSD drive, which is a very stable, sturdy, and it gives a very high performance capacity to work, read, write, etc. in the DVR, and it will change the industry, the way industry is, and it will give a good mileage to entire industry.
Yeah, and Ashish sir, tell me about post-COVID response of security industry and awareness about security industry in India right now.
Yeah, COVID had really challenged all industries, and especially manufacturers, because manufacturing were almost stopped. Our overheads of manufacturing were continuously on. But again, thanks to our India government, after opening up COVID, later on, the business has picked up very nicely. And in the COVID also, we have contributed a lot with thermal cameras, and we have added lots of thermal imaging to identify the people's mask wearing or not, or their body temperature, etc. So it had helped. But now post COVID, it had industry is back to normal. We are seeing more than 2019 turnover, and we hope that will continue to grow like this.
So thank you, Ashish sir. And can you tell our follower and subscriber our stall number and hall number or way of the coming in this event, so people can visit your stall and see live demonstration over here.
I think in IPSEC show, once you enter, you cannot miss us. We are just opposite to entry itself, and quite a 240 square meter booth. So I don't think stall number or booth number will matter that much. You just once you visit IPSEC, I think we will definitely waiting for to see you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for your valuable time, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.